Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study math on your own, step by step. First, assess your current knowledge and define clear learning objectives. This helps you choose the right starting point and materials. Next, gather your resources, including a good textbook, online courses, and practice problems. Finally, set up a quiet, organized study area to maximize your focus and productivity. This initial preparation is crucial for effective self-study. Once you're set up, focus on active learning. Don't just read, actively engage with the material. Break down large topics into smaller, digestible chunks, perhaps 20 to 30 minutes each. Work through every example problem, not just the easy ones, and try to solve them yourself before looking at the solution. Regular review, maybe 15 minutes daily, helps solidify your understanding and prevents forgetting. This hands-on approach is key. Studying math on your own can present challenges, but don't get discouraged. When a concept is difficult, search for alternative explanations from different sources like other textbooks or video tutorials. Consistent practice is vital. Even if you feel stuck, keep trying. A great technique is to try teaching the concept to a friend or even explaining it aloud to yourself. This process often reveals gaps in your understanding. Persistence pays off. To maintain momentum, set realistic, achievable goals like mastering one chapter per week and celebrate your progress. Connect with online math communities or forums. They offer support, different perspectives, and help when you're stuck. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity. Keep practicing, keep learning, and enjoy the process of mastering math on your own. Also, check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals to support the channel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.